we need the scissors, the package with the beads which you received from your teacher from Czech Republic, and a small plate. Now we open the package and put everything in the plate, also the small wire. Okay. Now prepare the wire. And the ends make a row like this. And now we can start. In the first we prepare the blue pearls and 2 rockayels, 1 pearl and 2 rockayels, and 1 pearl. Now we start put the beads on the wire. We take the first one, then to each end of the wire we put these 2 white rockayel beads. And the blue pearl we put on the one end of the wire, and then the second end we put through the rockayel like this, and catch it and put it down. Now we have something like a flower in the center of the wire, and continue on each end. We put the same 2 rockayels and 2 rockayels and pearl on one end and second end through the first one and touch. Yeah. The first step is in the end. Now the second step, it's 2 rockayels, and on the opposite side is just 1, then a pearl, and we repeat it 2 and 1 and 1 pearl. And now in the one end we put 2, in the second we put 1, and the pearl with the traditional way, one way, and with opposite weight, and pull. Here is the 2 rockayels. On this end we put these 2 rockayels. In this side is just 1 rockayel. In this end we put just 1, and finished with pearl and pull. Now you can see that start the heart, make a shape, start this shape of the heart, it start. Yeah. Okay. Now prepare another step. We prepare the 3 rockayels on the one side and 1 rockayel on the opposite, and the 1 pearl. Here we have 2 rocailles. On the same wire we put these 3 rocailles. On this side we have 2, 2, 1, 1. We continue with this one on this rocaille and finished with the pearl. Another step is finished. Another step. It's the similar like the step previous. We prepared 2 rocailles on the one side, 1 rocaille on opposite, 1 pearl, and we repeat one more, 2 and 1, and pearl. Okay, on the side which more rocaille seats, we put the 2. On this side, this end of the wire, we put just 1 and 1 pearl. Pull. And the same on this side, 2 rocailles. In this side, just 1. And pearl. And pull. And now you can see we have the half of the heart. Okay. Now we will continue with this top. We prepare the 1 rocaille, 1 red pearl, 1 rocaille, and the opposite we have 1 rocaille, and then 1 pearl. On the side which is on the outside circle, we put just the 1 rocaille. Here, the wire which is going from the inner circle, we put rocaille, pearl and rocaille. And finish with the traditional way, pearl from the opposite side. And pull. Now we have the top of the heart. Now we continue with the right side of the heart. We repeat the steps which we made here, but in opposite way. Okay, now we prepare 2 rocailles on the one side, 1 rocaille opposite, 1 red, and repeat it 2, 1 and 1 pearl. In the outside part of heart we put 2, in the inner part we put 1 rocaille, then we continue with the pearl and pull and repeat from the outside and from the inner just 1 and pearl. Okay, as you can see here we have 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Now another step is combination 3. And on opposite side just 1 rocaille and red pearl. On the outside we put 3 rocailles. On the inner part of heart just 1. And the pearl. And pull. Okay. Now we continue with a similar combination like previous. On the one part is 2 rocailles, and another part is 1, and the 1 pearl, and repeat it, 2, 1, and pearl. Okay. On the left side, 2, on the right side, just 1, and pearl, and pull, and repeat it. On the right side, 2, on the left side, 1, and pearl, and pull. Okay. And now we repeat the starting position. It means 2 rocailles on each side, 1 pearl, and 2 rocailles, and pearl, 2 on each end of the wire, and 1 pearl, and pull, and repeating. And pull. And now we connect these ends together on this wire, which is going from the inner of the earth. We put 1 rocaille, and wire is going through this pearl like this. Okay. Now on each end of the wire we put 1 rocaille. 1 and 1 like this, and 1 red pearl from the both side, and pull. Now we have finished the wire. We take the heart and put like this, catch the wire, catch the last pearl and move cross the wire 4 or 5 times, like this, and put the wire to the center. And now this end of the wire put through this pearl, and the opposite we made with this wire, we put it to the red one. And now you can cut the ends of the wire, but if you cut it, the wire, you got the ends not soft. Therefore, it's better if you take the wire and make this movement. If you repeat it, you cut it without the knives, and the end is not so sharp. Repeat it on the opposite side. Move and move. And now we only make a nice shape of the heart. And we have finished. Okay, this is our hearts from our Czech traditional colors, red, blue and white. It's our flag's color, but you've got another 2 color combination, for example, like this one. It's for you, you can make another 2 hearts, but it's not necessary make the combination half and half, but you also can make another combination, for example, cross, or change the colors with the other students and make something like this. It's only on your fantasy. Or you can make anything else from the left, which you will have